So today I'm making cottage pie. Pretty easy thing to make. So I've sweated off an onion and then I've put in a carrot. I've put in a bit of garlic and a bit of chilli because I like mine a little bit spicy. I've then put in some minced beef. Now I like lean minced beef. I don't like fatty minced beef. So this is extra lean. And I've cooked it all down and I'm going to add a little bit of gravy. Now in my gravy is a concoction. So there's an oxo cube, there's a bit of soy sauce, brown sauce, chilli sauce, Worcester sauce and whatever sauce is in my cupboard. I always put a squirt of everything in it and then fill it up with hot water. Gives it to... Oh, I put a bit of blackcurrant jam in as well. Just going to pour that into my mince. Mix it all up. That looks good. I've seasoned it with salt and pepper. And I'm going to let that simmer for about 15 minutes. And in my pans I've got sweet potato and I've got normal potato. I like sweet potato, David likes normal potatoes. When they're ready, I'm going to mash them up and top my cottage pie up with it. So I've made my cottage pies. Now this one has just got mash on. Just plain mash with potatoes. I've mashed them up with a bit of butter and some milk. Spread it over the top and I'll put some cheese on. And this one is just sweet potato. So sweet potato doesn't need any milk or anything. I've put a tiny little bit of butter in it just to give it a nice little bit of a taste. The gravy that's been left over, I've put in a pan. I'm going to thicken it and then we can pour it all over what's left. So there's my sweet potato and my mash. I'm just going to pop some cheese on. And then these will be baked in the oven for about half an hour, 180. Plus as well, these can be frozen as well, but this one won't be frozen. We have an elderly neighbour a couple of doors down who'll really appreciate that. So there you go, that's my version of cottage pie. Enjoy.